I'm Darren Joint, Managing Director of Viking Signs and Chair of the Greater Lincolnshire Manufacturing Board. I'm here to introduce you to my short blog and share my optimism for the future. I believe that engineering and manufacturing is a force for good, which creates real added value, high quality skilled jobs and the means to solve some of the big global issues. During the COVID-19 pandemic, our ability to manufacture essential things has come to the public attention in a way not seen since World War II. There are many people who deserve all of our thanks, but I'd like to take this opportunity to personally thank all of those working in manufacturing, making food, vaccines, PPE, ventilators, even signs which allowed other businesses to operate safely. You've all played your part and I salute you for your contribution. My hope is that we continue to appreciate this sector and encourage our children to study STEM subjects which lead to fantastic and rewarding careers in engineering and manufacturing. To read more and to hear other Lincolnshire Voices, head to this month's LEP News Bulletin.